September with the new school term has arrived, and Dawn Cameron Dick explains just how important the relationship is between the needles and the threads we use in our sewing machines. We have so very many weights of thread now and a wide variety of needles to select from, and they are all there for a reason. The Maker's Studio returns this month with a brand new episode, this time featuring the remarkable Jenny Haynes, telling host Faye Hatcher and our studio experts all about the creation of her trademark modern curvy quilts and her unique approach to making them. Quilting secrets you do not want to miss. This month also sees the return of our crochet expert Jane Chire, sharing with us a simple but satisfying granny strip carousel blanket project. Valerie Nesbitt is in the studio sharing her stretched churn dash block, which uses up your stash and creates this truly lovely quilt. And our tip Thursday for September is from textile artist Dion Swift, showing us how practice makes perfect, at least where painting with thread is concerned. This month also sees the launch of our Janome sewing machine prize draw. Don't miss this chance to win Janome's very latest amazing machine, the New Horizon Memory Craft 9480QC Professional. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.